Mullein, Verbascum spp. Is a biennial or perennial herb native to Europe and Asia, with more than 250 species, belonging to the Scrophulariaceae family. The most commonly known species is Verbascum thapsus, also called common mullein or great mullein. The plant has been naturalized in North America and other regions due to its medicinal and ornamental properties. Mullein is characterized by its tall, erect stems, which can reach up to 2 meters, 6.6 feet, in height, and its thick, velvety leaves that are grayish-green in color. The plant produces dense, yellow flower spikes that bloom from June to September. The use of mullein as a medicinal plant dates back to ancient Greek and Roman times, when it was employed to treat a variety of ailments, including respiratory disorders, digestive issues, and skin conditions. Throughout history, mullein has been used in traditional medicine, and its popularity continues in modern herbal medicine. Here are 30 potential medical benefits of mullein. Respiratory health. Mullein has been traditionally used to treat respiratory issues, including bronchitis, asthma, and coughs, due to its expectorant, demulcent, and anti-inflammatory properties. Sore throat relief. Mullein tea or syrup can help soothe sore throats by reducing inflammation and coating the throat. Cough relief. Mullein's expectorant properties can help loosen and expel mucus, making it an effective remedy for coughs. Asthma relief. The herb's anti-inflammatory and bronchodilatory properties may help alleviate asthma symptoms. Sinus congestion relief. Mullein may help reduce sinus congestion and inflammation. Earache relief. Mullein-infused oil is a popular traditional remedy for earaches and ear infections. Pain relief. The plant has analgesic properties that may help relieve pain from headaches, toothaches, and other minor aches. Anti-inflammatory. Mullein contains compounds like verbascoside and aucubin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidant. Mullein contains antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antiviral. The herb has antiviral properties that may help protect against viral infections. Antibacterial. Mullein has antibacterial properties that can help protect against bacterial infections. Antifungal. The plant contains compounds with antifungal properties, which can help protect against fungal infections. Digestive health. Mullein has been used to treat digestive issues like diarrhea, constipation, and bloating. Skin health. The plant's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help improve skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Wound healing. Mullein has been traditionally used to promote wound healing and prevent infection. Sleep aid. The herb has mild sedative properties that may help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Anxiety relief. Mullein's calming effects may help reduce anxiety and stress. Immune system support. The plant's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties may help support the immune system. Joint pain relief. Mullein's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation. Diuretic. The herb may help increase urine production, which can aid in flushing out toxins from the body.